Welcome everyone, this is Sophie from Low Waste Housekeeping. I hope you guys are all doing well. So here I'm washing my hands for 20 seconds. Make sure to wash it with soap in between the fingers. Rinse it off with some water. So this video is all about how to turn a soap bar into soap liquid. Here we go. So you will need roughly about 190 grams of soap bar. I found this selling at a charity store that is package free. You need to cut 30 grams of the soap bar, 4 cups of water, place it in a pot and bring it to a boil like this. Meanwhile, wrap your leftover soap in a plant wrap just like this. Keep it for storage for later use. Once the water have boiled like this, place your soap into the water. You can grate this, but for me this piece is small enough to emerge into the water. After 3 minutes, the solid bar is still solid, so I'm using a wooden spoon just to stir it around. After 5 minutes, I decided to take it off the stove, and there's still some solid parts here. So I grabbed myself a whisk, mix it about. I decided to pour it into a clear dish such as a Pyrex. This is so that I can see the solid pieces have emerged into the water, or dissolved in the water, sorry. So it looks like it has. Apart from the lemongrass pieces that was originally in the soap bar. So it's looking good. So I find a spot of the house and I let it cool down for 24 hours. I will bottle it up using this bottle here. So after 24 hours the next day, it's ready for bottle, just like this. You can see that it's like glue-like texture and it has worked. The liquid has formed into more solid glue. Like, pop the lid on and it's ready for use. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have found the video useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.